Make a great choice today with the 2017 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, reclining seats, side airbag system, beverage holders. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.